Now we come down to the planning process. अब हम करेंगे हमें करना क्या है. Sequence. For example, I want to bake a cake. तो मुझे क्या-क्या steps follow करने हैं to bake a cake. Your ingredients are ready, right? So can we go? If you have an idea, you analyze it, you forecast it, you develop it, you implement. This is general planning process. Let's come back to the specific lines of NCERT. Sir, can you please go to the next slide? Gaurav sir, can you go to the next slide, please? Setting objectives. If you see here, this is a diagrammatic presentation. You set objectives, you develop premises, that is assumptions about the future. Then you identify the various alternative courses of action which are available to achieve those objectives. You evaluate each course of action with respect to the pros and cons. You select the best alternative. I've already given you a detailed description of all this, and you implement the plan, and then you follow-up action. That means you see how much the plan was implemented, what were the weaknesses, what were the shortcomings, and then you again, as I said, planning is continuous. You again revise your plan and set up a new plan. So can we go to the next slide, sir? If you see setting objectives, again, specific lines from NCERT, what the organization wants to achieve, end results, specific and measurable. I've already given you detail about this. For example, a mobile company wants to sell 2 lakh units next year, which is your current, that is double the current sales. That means the current sales is 1 lakh, you want to set it for 2 lakhs. Is it clear? Next, sir. So next slide, please. Developing, what are the assumptions about the future? What do you assume? For example, if you have already decided that you want to achieve your sales, what are the assumptions? That right now the sales would not be as much as you had thought about. So how can you ensure that your stocks move out? Is it clear? So what are the assumptions? Assumptions are maybe there are regulations, the government regulations are going to change. Is it clear? So all those assumptions need to be taken into consideration. So next slide. What are the various alternative courses of action? Whether alternative courses of action could be routine action. For example, you need to reduce the price so that people buy it. You know, it's like you have your, the malls are opening after such a long period of time. Everybody wants to buy. They're all fed up of staying at home. So that kind of if reduction in prices, then more purchasing would be there. Or you can, if you have money, you want to invest in advertising, or maybe any kind of a promotion technique of rebate, discount, product combination, or maybe any kind of other technique that you are planning to use, or any after sales service that you plan to give. Next, sir. So next slide. Evaluate the various alternative courses of action. So now you have to, what you do is that whatever, for example, if you reduce the price, you have to evaluate that how much profit margin you're going to give up. Is that clear? And even after reducing the price, do you think the customer is ready to purchase right now? So what do you have to do? Evaluating both the negative and positive aspect of each course of action that you're thinking of has to be laid down, and then the most appropriate course of action need to be chosen. Next, sir. Selecting the best alternative. When we talk of the best alternative is now the manager who is actually evaluating the various courses of action. For example, if you see here, I'll just quote an example when all these actors, they promote a movie. All right. Why earlier used to happen that they used to go to various kinds of malls, or they used to organize event to promote a movie. Now, what is the best option that they choose is to go to the Kapil Sharma show. And I'm sure you see Kapil Sharma show is it's the most loved show which everybody wants to watch it with the family. And now since new episodes are not coming, people watch it. People are watching the old. If you see their screen time, they've increased because they're watching all the old episodes, and it's as refreshing. And people watch it and they're able to promote it better. All the stars who always never thought of coming back to TV, they're coming to Kapil Sharma show to promote their films. So it is the best alternative which you have to choose. There you have to select it. Next, sir. Implementing the plan, that means you have to organize all the resources. Now you feel that, of course, this was the best course of action. For example, if we talk of infrastructure, you have framed a housing complex, aapne sare designs bana liye, aapne decide kar liya that you're going to make 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom or 4 bedroom, all designs are laid out and all legal formalities are fulfilled and all parameters are being fulfilled. You're going to implement it and start the construction. Is it clear? It's as per the requirement of the customers, whatever the customers wanted, you have incorporated that also in the plan. And whatever little deviations they wanted with respect to their house or their flat. So you will start implementing the plan. Is that clear? Next. Follow-up action is again, even after you have, you know, who are the good businessmen who always take a follow-up action. For example, if you see these builders, what they do, once they build up the housing complex and then they leave it, or they keep holding it, keep trying to, you know, make money out of the maintenance for 3-4 years, and after, in those 3-4 years, they hardly provide any maintenance, and they just leave the project. These projects are like your baby. That that's your reputation and goodwill that you study in your partnership. So rather, the projects that you take up, you should ensure that baby is looked after. Is it clear? So follow-up action, take feedback. What do the customers, what do those people who have taken the houses from you, the flats from you want? Maybe their design was not as good as they had thought, fulfilling all the parameters, but maybe in the next housing complex, they could incorporate it. Instead of running away, they should take feedback. So feedback is very, very important, which all business entrepreneurs should take, and take it in a positive manner, because that will help them improve. All right. So this is what, when you plan, you have to, you implement it. You take up a follow-up action from your customers, that whatever product they had offered to you, it could be a housing complex, it could be a consumer durable, it could be a fashion, from fashion industry, it could be a movie. Take the follow-up action. If you see in movies, these days people prefer only realistic movies. That's why realistic movies are trash movies of men running after the women, or women running after the men has gone. Those times are gone. People like realistic movies because they can connect. So all the producers who they make a lot of money. So you have to see what the customer's attitude, they're becoming more intelligent, they're becoming more realist, they believe in realism, not in a fantasy world. All right, so follow-up action will help us to modulate our course of action in the future. So next slide. Okay, now I hope I've not taken your time, Anjali ma'am. I request Anjali ma'am to take forward the session.
Thank you, Meenu ma'am, for such an enriching session. Now, thank you further, children. Your host is Anjali Jagdev. The same thing prevails. Internet quality is bad. I'm sharing the screen with Gaurav sir now. So mismatch of slide, quite possible. Please bear. Meenu ma'am has already informed you, children, that if you want to really understand BST well, the best way is connect and relate it to the real life situations, events, people, things of your likings and disliking. This way you will have a better clarity and a deep understanding of the contents therein. One thing by now is very much clear. Planning is a costly affair. It's a time-consuming affair. And on the top of it, it may not, work in the dynamic situation so nicely. Well prepared you people were for your BST exam, and suddenly came the lockdown on 19th, and the whole planning was null and void. Now, children, the way we plan, the kind of plans we make, they differ from person to person, place to place, and company to company. Now, no offenses, but mark my words, girls are excellent planners. They will manage to study 48 hours when the day is only for 24 hours. And when you ask about their preparation, oh God, मेरा तो कुछ भी तैयार नहीं हुआ, मुझे तो बहुत डर लग रहा है, हाय मेरा क्या होगा, तूने कितना पढ़ लिया, अच्छा तेरी रीडिंग इतनी हो गई. And comes the result. When the result is there, you remember the 3 idiots. दोस्त फेल हो जाए तो बुरा लगता है, दोस्त टॉप कर जाए तो बहुत ही बुरा लगता है. On the other hand, it is boys. I love their planning. कुछ भी नहीं पढ़ा होगा तो भी, अरे कैसी चल रही है भाई, अरे मैम फोड़ दिया, क्या फोड़ दिया, I have ma'am revised already 3 times and it is the full night there ma'am, I have planned out, I will be studying at least 3 times more. अच्छा, good. पता चलता है बाद में रिजल्ट फूट गया और घर जाने के ऊपर वो फूट गया. But then what to do? It's a planning अपना style है, and then we have already done. Planning does not guarantee success. So children, different people, different companies, definitely I'm taking you to a right to work. What are the different types of plans therein? Next slide. Definitely every time I'm not now going to tell Sir Gaurav. Reason being, we are very short of the time and I'm trying to take you across all the plans in a very, very quick manner therein. Children, in all organization, all levels of management do plan. But yes, the magnitude, the content, the coverage, that differs. So hierarchy matters. At the time of planning, who is allowed to plan what? That is decided by the status. We have a slide, which I think, sir, could you please go to the next one? The slide, okay, that is, I think, is missing from here. Never mind. The Meenu ma'am already had shared that very slide where you have that pyramid. The hierarchy is there. Top management, middle management, and the lower management. Top management, this is doing that strategic planning. survival, growth and the profit of the whole company. They are the decider for that. ठीक वैसे ही जैसे it is your पापा decide foreign का trip करना है या नहीं करना, iPhone चाहिए तो वही दिलाएंगे, MacBook Pro चाहिए, that is his jurisdiction to work upon. Then comes the middle management. Middle management comprises of the departmental heads like mama, the kitchen queen. अगर आज स्विगी से कुछ मंगवाना है, पिज्जा खाना है, मम्मा प्लीज आने वाले सारे टाइम पर आपका बनाया हुआ खाना खाऊंगा, सिर्फ एक बार अलाउ कर दो. It is for her to decide. That is her planning. Will she allow? Will she not allow you that? And then comes the lower. Now the name itself says this is the lower management. ये बेचारे plan कर क्या सकते हैं? They are the one who is actually getting the work done from the workers therein. ठीक वैसे ही जैसे अपने बड़े भाई बहन होते हैं, तू मेरे काम आ, मैं भाई तेरे काम आ जाऊंगा, पिक्चर का जुगाड़ बिठा दे, मैं तेरा पूरा BST का प्रोजेक्ट कर डालूंगा. So we have seen one thing, as you go down the level of your pyramid, the plans, the power to make plans, that keeps on receding down therein. Now children, based on the use and the length of the period involved, we basically have two types of plans. We have categorized them into as your single use plan and the standing plan. Now when it comes to single use plan, the name itself is very saying about the self here. These are the ones which are formulated to meet out the requirement of some very specific situation, event or project. It means now they're kind of, their objective is one time event, one time project, and could be likely they are not going to be repeated again. ठीक वैसे ही जैसे अपनी शादी. Now that is one time event and hopefully it should not be happening again and again, as I think so. सारी दुनिया देखे, the whole planning is to be done in a way that it should be a gala affair. And now if it is your शादी happening, ये अब पूरा time तो चलने नहीं वाली है. Obviously it is going to be for लव मैरिज होगी तो एक दिन लगेगा, अरेंज्ड मैरिज होगी तो हद से हद वीक लग जाएगा, लव कम अरेंज्ड होगी पटाने में, मनाने में और करने के अंदर मे बी एक मंथ लग जाएगा. So that means the single plans, basically they are the short period framed one. And once the target is achieved down, we find standing plans, single plans are not very stable. They are discarded. बल्कि इसके बाद कोई दोस्त मांगने भी आएगा ना, wedding card was very interesting, यार मस्त था, दिखा दे. You will have the thing, पता नहीं यार कहाँ पड़ा, I'll just search it out and then hand it over to you. Now comes the opposite side, the standing plans. The standing plans, बेचारे हमेशा alert हैं, they are standing. So these are those plans which are used, for the activities, to govern the activities which are of a recurring nature. जैसे दूसरों की शादी. Now this is a phenomena, चलता जाता है, The planning is what? 8 बजे जाएंगे, खाना खाएंगे, शगन देंगे, and then we will come back क्योंकि हमारा कल अपना वापस स्कूल है. अब ये शादियां तो होती ही रहेंगी. So comparatively, standing plans are for a longer duration. Once they are developed, definitely over a period of time, some necessary modifications are to be done so that business can use them time to time again, reference to the current affairs there. शादी में जाने के लिए स्कूटर ही आपके पास में, so it's पहले से ही formulated. बड़ा भाई घर रहेगा, छोटी बहन साथ चलेगी. अब मान लीजिए the family gets a new arrival, new छोटा प्राणी आ जाता है. What is to be done? A little modification. बड़ा भाई बड़ी बहन घर पे रहेंगे and the new छोटा प्राणी is going to accompany them. Now this very slide I'm not going to discuss here at all with you. I take you across all the plans first and then I give you this as an outcome that you decide which kind of a plan should come under which kind of a category and what should be a probable reasons for that kind of a categorization. If I go to the first one here, 22 तक पढ़ाई, 25 में नौकरी, 26 में छोकरी, 30 तक बच्चे, 60 में रिटायरमेंट. Okay, Ranbir Kapoor in one breath, decided the whole life goal therein. While दोस्ती करने की गलती तो कर ली है मैंने, दुश्मनी करने का मौका भी जाने नहीं दूंगा. स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर मैं ही जीतूंगा. बिल्कुल धवन साहब, यू आर सो फोकस्ड. इस साल की द स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर ट्रॉफी मैं ही जीतूंगा. Yes, children. These end results, they constitute the purpose, the attainment of which is very necessary for one or maybe even for the business, and they are called as your objective. These objectives, keep in mind children, they are result oriented. They are not activity oriented. That is, they define, the future state of affairs which the organization aims to achieve, and that should be within the given frame of time therein. पापा कहते हैं बड़ा काम करेगा, कब करेगा, कौन सा करेगा, कहाँ करेगा. That means the objectives cannot be vague. They cannot be so broad, undefined. Rather, objectives are very specific. They are very defined, and objectives are basically quantitatively expressed down. Beta bas tu pass ho ja. Now one who's getting 30% and one who's getting 90%, both of them are passing. So what are you trying to tell as an objective to your child? Should he get 30% or should he get 90%? The minute quantified statements are used, it is very easy to target and set clearly that this is the thing which you want to achieve down. Now, a lot of strategic planning is gone into deciding the objective, because they are the total end result why your enterprise is all there. So we know very well that they will be having a very significant role by the top management to be played thereon. One thing is clear: a company can have multiple important goals all simultaneously. The objectives can be very challenging, they can be very adventurous, but ultimately they should be realistic, they should be an attainable one. Now, one question to you. One thing is very clear. Objective first have to be there. Then only you will start planning. That means the objective themselves serves as a ground, a platform for the planning to start. No plan can violate the objectives of a company. In other language, the objectives are the prerequisites to plan. So when planning starts only after the objectives have come into picture, what do you find? They fit into single or standing plan criteria? I think you should be able to make up your mind. They fit into none of these categories. 1934, Professor G.F. Gauge of Moscow University, he's also known as, father of mathematical biology. He experimented. He took 2 containers, and in one container, he placed 2 small animals, protozoans of the same species, and gave them adequate food. And in another container, he took another 2 small protozoans, but then of the different species, and gave them adequate food. Now guess, which container survived and why? The world got the principle of competitive expulsion, a kind of a theory. What did it say? No 2 species can coexist if they make their living in an identical way. If they have to survive, they have to be different. So children, business must be different enough to have unique advantage over its rival. I am using a Greek word, strategy, meaning art of the troop leader. And the business world borrowed this word from the military organization. So what is a strategy? A strategy is a deliberate search for action, and especially under uncertain, unforeseeable, unpredictable situation, which will help you to develop a competitive advantage, and you will like to compound it. Compound it means you will assign even the resources to execute the plan. Gaurav sir, in case it is possible for you, I'm already on the slide of strategy. I'm discussing strategy with them. I'm done with this objective. Thank you so much. Yes, we are on the word strategy over here. According to some authors, they say strategy is kind of deployment of resources also. Strategy is nothing, but it is to, like in the war time, हम दुश्मनों का behavior देखते हैं and accordingly हम अपना attack arrange करते हैं. Similarly, now companies, they are doing nowadays what thing? They are using their skills, tactics, imaginations, and this company tries to seize the plans and policies of their competitors, modify and readjust their own plans to prove and maintain their superiority in the market. So children, strategy is more like a contingental plan. It's a directional plan, and it is formulated to meet the environmental threats, opportunities, or maybe some specific challenges which may come in the environment. The in-depth knowledge of internal and external environment is very necessary at the time of formulating the policies. So when so much of deep understanding, observation, analysis is wanted, one thing automatically gets clear: strategy is the job of basically the top management to be done. Ever paid your attention to Domino's and McDonald's never had become outdated? Domino's, bread, sauce, cheese, it's a fundamental everywhere. It works fundamentally. Everybody likes these things. So Domino's strategy is change the topping, market to market, from seafood to, coming from the seafood to the fish in Asia, to everything in China, and especially vegetarian in India. The Domino's use the strategy to capture the market. International interest is they have to be aware of. They kept on changing their toppings, and as such always had been the topper as therein. Similarly, the McDonald's, also a global brand, they evolved a strategy within the meaning of the global. They started the strategy called Glocal, that is go local. जहां का गया वहीं का हो गया. Across the world, mark my word, 99% preparation of McDonald's is non-vegetarian. मगर जब से ये हिंदुस्तान आया ये pure vegetarian बन गया. Though there is a small video which we would like to showcase, which is regarding the strategy adopted by Ola to combat the competition during this very COVID-19. Gaurav sir, is it possible for us to showcase that thing? Look, with the shortage of time on hand, I'm skipping out on some of the examples which are very common. This we would definitely like to be shared. View it, it will take just few seconds for you. Okay, I think it is going to take some more time, Darren. Gaurav sir, let it go. We will share the link with the children. If they would like, they will definitely, go ahead viewing it down. Shall I hold on, sir, or move on? Okay, let it be. Children, as far as I remember,
if you want to show the video, just give me a minute, ma'am. You just give me a minute. Yes.
Okay, right, sir, in pipeline.
In the meantime, you can continue with the topic. I am just doing it for you.
Strategy, basically, that means to sum total, now children, you must be having an idea. Three things should be there. A strategy is a long-term planning, basically. And then it contains, there should be allocation of resources for the said course of action which you have decided. Because strategy is contingental, situational, you can certainly make it out why it is not into a category of single and standing plan. The situation changes, the strategy changes. So that means it is all and all dependent upon internal, external environment. Comes the situation in picture and the strategy has to be accordingly shifted. Let's go on to now viewing of your movie for a while. Gaurav sir, are we ready for that? Am I audible? Team CTF?
Yes, ma'am, you are very much audible, ma'am.
Okay. Gaurav sir, rehne dete hain, not a thing. We are still, I can see the clock ticking by. So, chaliye, as long as sir is trying to help us out, I take you across the next very kind of a plan. As I was telling you, ever since I remember, I'd been going to school. पहले मैं पढ़ने जाती थी, अब मैं पढ़ाने जाती हूँ. And mark my words, really students, in a way, I'm enjoying this phase of COVID-19. Why? घर पे बैठ के comfort. Okay, sir is already there. First, let us view the kind of a strategy adopted by Ola Cab.
हम चाहे कितने भी बड़े हो जाएं, but for our parents, we'll always take kids. But given the current circumstances, my mom is super worried. Well, I'm a doctor. My patients need me, तो जाना तो पड़ेगा ना. So last Monday, I decided to call for an Ola. And guess what? When the driver came, not only was he wearing a proper mask, but he had even disinfected his car. He even took a different route just to avoid the red zones. Quite impressive. Oh, by the way, cab में sanitizer भी था. That's when I told mom and dad कि आप जैसे घर में हर चीज का ख्याल रखते हैं ना, वैसे ही ओला भी अपनी कैब में.
With Ola's 5 layers of safety, every car is clean before each ride. Drivers are always wearing masks and have regular temperature checks. The safest Ola is here with home-like safety in every ride. My safest ride.
Thank you so much, Gaurav sir. It's a perfect example of a strategy, reason being, giving them the mask to be worn. There are already the sanitizers. They are given sanitizers to sanitize their car. Resources all had been pre-arranged, and to combat the strategy, the ongoing competition with other kind of cabs in picture, what are they trying to do? They evolve their own thing, convincing the people that traveling with Ola is absolutely safe, maintaining that security edge over their competitors. Anyhow, that means now we are moving on. As I was continuing with the next very plan and picture, I said I'm really enjoying this COVID-19. Reason being, घर पे बैठ के आराम से पढ़ाना, इसका मजा ही कुछ और होता है. No doubt this experience the corporate people had been enjoying for pretty long. Corporate world में ये काफी समय से practice थी work from home. but could be possible हमारे यहाँ पहले नहीं थी, but now we have started taking a note of it. And maybe God forbid comes ever a situation like that in future, school को मालूम है कि even they can ask the teachers कि वो भी घर से काम कर सकते हैं. हमारे घर में ऐसी प्रैक्टिस है, हमारे घर में ऐसी रीत है, नहीं हमारे घर में ऐसा नहीं होता. I think you have well assessed. We are on the plans called as your policies. What are policies? The policies are basically the general statements which are formulated by an organization for the guidance of its personals. So that means it's a kind of, a standing direction to the management to take decisions within a prescribed limit. Policies are in a way continuing decision-making guides for the management. So mark the thing, policies do not require action, but they are intended, to work as a guide. They are guiding the managers in their decision-making process therein. What happened? Under policies, we pre-decide some issues, and so as to avoid confusions later on, if a similar kind of a situation evolves, we are going to use those kind of policies to answer quickly. They serve as a guide to the thinking process of the manager. But policies are suggestible. They are suggestible. They are not your fantasies. They are very systematized. They are very specialized facts therein. But definitely they give a margin to the manager to use his own discretion to interpret them and to apply them. Normally schools की policy होती है कि एक भाई बहन पढ़ रहा है तो दूसरा sibling is allowed to be there. They will consider. Policy है कि दूसरे को भी वहीं पर आने दीजिए. But अगर आप पहले 10 स्कूलों से निकाले गए हो, nowhere the principal can be forced upon. No, it is the policy of your school. It will be the principal's jurisdiction to decide whether to give you an admission or not therein. So policies basically do not have any time dimension. They are, they go on and on, like the one followed by the McDonald's. McDonald's have a strange policy. They do not like to give their franchises if you already own a food chain, but that's their practice. They like following the same thing. Policies can be basically created at all the levels of your management. No doubt the important policies, because policies are basically of 4 kinds. On the screen you see they are of 2 types here, but basically they are 4 in nature. We have minor policies, major policies, supportive policies, and composite policies. Basically the minor policies are the ones which are dealing with the insider, that is the one who are working within the company. Major policies are the one which really helps you to decide the company's course of action in reference to its outsider. Composite, no company can even have, have absolutely minor or major. So it's a fusion of the policies which come into picture, and that is called as a composite. To assist your minor, major, and composite, time to time, looking at the condition, the environment, we have to evolve some support, some feedback things along with them. Those kind of general responses, those kind of general guidelines, they are normally said to be your supportive policies therein. Okay, children, what kind of, how the teaching is conducted in your school? I mean, in my school, when the bell rings, I go to the class, I settle them down, I take their attendance, then whatever is the scheduled lesson going on in my mind, I conduct that lesson, and only I leave the class when the bell rings. I think you have guessed that I've already taken you on what next platform? The next very platform comes out to be your procedure. No doubt this slide is relating to the previous one. No credit, I think we are very well versed with it. These are the common more policies. They are the guiding forces that if you take your decision, it should remain within that kind of a boundary area. But then no doubt time to time the managers are given a free hand. So we were already on your procedures therein. Then students, what is said to be a procedure? As from the example derived out, every work is performed in different stages. And now the procedure specifies how, what, who does that particular work at a particular stage therein. So procedures are the chronological sequence of the various steps to be taken and in order to perform an activity in a very efficient manner. Procedures, unlike policies, policies are guide to thinking. Procedures are the guide to your actions therein. Now, once that particular course is being decided, for a time being, it is rigid. It is not giving you a margin. And procedures, the way you have the policies, that will help you to evolve your procedures for the same thing. The way there is a procedure, how you logged into to join this kind of a webinar therein. So there is a long sequential steps to be followed. I can say steps, or in all I can conclude to say procedures are the methods of doing the job therein. Now we said that, you know, the procedure, what was the procedure to teach in your school? The procedure was bell rings, teacher comes, takes attendance. Now we are coming to a little narrow, limited scope of a procedure. And that is, can you tell me how your teacher takes the attendance? Could be possible. Some schools have the biometric machines. Somebody may be taking manually. Somebody might be asking a monitor to do the needful. Somebody may be having a computer. Absolutely correct. You should have guessed. I'm already on method as a plan. The method is one step of procedure. The formalized, the standardized way of doing your routine jobs is called as a method therein. Now, method is not suddenly evolved down. It involves lot of research, lot of analysis, rational, logical thinking, and then, as taught to you in Principles of Management chapter, we evolve one best way of doing a particular work. But once this one best particular way is evolved down, it helps the company to save its time, money, and the effort. There is a particular method. How do you charge a depreciation? There is a particular method. You must have come to know in accountancy, LIFO and the FIFO system. First in, first out, last in, first out. That means keeping the whole circumstances in mind, the company decide what is the one best way of doing that one step of your procedure. Method is more limited in scope if compared to the procedure therein. Now, this, like I said, there is a method to polish a diamond. There is a method to cut the diamond therein. Have you ever seen children, ants walking? Chintiyan? They are said to be the most disciplined creature. They absolutely follow perfect discipline. Right behind one another, they will go on. Even if I take an example of jungle, you know, the territories of the lion, they are duly marked. एक area में, एक domain में, you will never find more than one lion therein. In case it so happens, they fight till the one quits or one dies. Why to talk about your jungle area? Even in your own locality, you must have come across a group of very familiar dogs. Come a third poor chap and they will chase him to death. Why? That area is their domain. Nobody should be entering. Well, I think I just recalled, you know, very favorite lines. Parampara, Pratishtha, Anusashan, ये इस गुरुकुल की 3 स्तंभ हैं जो आने वाले कल को बनाते हैं. आप जब तक इस गुरुकुल में हैं, बस ये गुरुकुल ही आपकी दुनिया है, और जो कोई इन्हें तोड़ेगा वो यहाँ से सीधा बाहर जाएगा. Wow, legendary Amitabh Bachchan of Mohabbatein. Just in 2 statements, he concluded the do's and don'ts of his organization. Absolutely correct. गौरव सर हमें नहीं पकड़ पाए. हम already किस पर चले गए हैं? हम rules के ऊपर चले गए हैं. I need not really explain you what are rules because you face them day and night. Don't sit here, don't touch your mobile, be back home by 8 o'clock. नहीं आए हो तो चलो, now you are quarantined, go to your room and study therein. Day starts with rule and your day ends with rules only. ये अब अलग बात है, how much rules do you follow? So basically, what are rules? The rules are specific statements that tell us what is to be done and what is not to be done. There is no scope of your discretion. You have to comply. Non-compliance will invite penalty. There will be some kind of a fine. There will be a punishment therein. The rules are very rigorously implemented. They're very strictly to be followed down. No judgment, no compromise as far as the rules are to be concerned. I read somewhere, you know, in the world, Denmark is the world's one city which has the maximum laws therein. China, Cuba, Saudi Arabia, Iran, Singapore, Japan. These are few countries you won't believe who are deemed to be the countries having the most stringent rules and regulations for their nationals to be followed therein. So feel blessed that you are born in India. Roko nahi, toko nahi, Bap Zindabad. That's the phenomena of our country. Recently, children, you must have read in the newspaper, it was very much out there. The finance ministry has opened its wallet, you know, to give around 17,000 crores to different states. Somewhere around, if I'm not mistaken, 1,600 crores went in the pouch of Maharashtra, 900 went in the pouch of MP, 600 crores plus went in the pouch of Punjab. So could you please let me know what for it was given to them? yes, you are little, I must say, aware of it. It was given to meet out the expenditure which they will be using on fighting COVID-19. So the government opened its wallet to give a amount, a source to the state governments to meet out its expenditure. Now, in case the states are able to do that, that's going to be very good. In case not, we will check it out where the things went wrong. Perfectly assessed. French word meaning leather bag, a pouch or a wallet or a small bag, and that is called as your budget. You know, it was mid of 18th century when for the first time the UK finance minister used this word openly. When he stepped into their parliament, he was asked, open your budget, yani ke open your leather bag and let us know. It's almost like a purse what we carry. Purse के अंदर क्या रखा हुआ होता है? पैसे पैसे रखे हुए होते हैं. What for? So that you can, now as much as you have it in your wallet, that much you are going to plan out that you are going to spend therein. The same very condition is with the word called budget here. It was in 1860. You know, I read somewhere that it was James Wilson, who's the founder of the Standard Chartered Bank, that he created the first budget for India. So, children, what is a budget? It's a quantitative, numerically expressed statement regarding the future needs for a certain period of time. It's an estimate of the future sources and its application. Very strangely, the budget is based on the past figures, and taking the future possibilities in mind, you create or you evolve a new numerical statement for your company. Now, as the estimates are involved therein, intellectual thinking is involved therein, but obvious, it is telling you that this is job of your top management. The budgets are a very, very specific statements, and budget, while they are very specific and at the same time, budgets are used as a control device. How come they act as a control device? By three major things therein. You know, they help the company to control the expenditure. They ensure that there is an optimum utilization of the resources happening in a company. And then just the easy check back. You were given so much of an amount. Were you able to meet out your expenditure therein? Any deviations? Why did the deviations happen therein? So based on the time, money, physical unit, there can be different types of plans which a company can evolve down. You are already aware of long-term capital budgeting, short-term capital budgeting, sales budget, cash budget, production budget. They means it is a forecast. It's a numerical statement. It's a quantified statement which is telling you, which is trying to give you an estimate. One thing on the hand which is input, another thing which will be output, which will be dealt with, that kind of a thing. Now, coming towards the last very thing, have you watched the Filmfare Award which was held on February 2020? I know you must be very busy with your practical works. Yes, Gaurav sir, thank you so much. We are already on the next very, and that is the program. I'm sure you must not have got a chance to witness this very Filmfare Award. Why Filmfare Award is so much talk of the town? You know, every time it's like that. You won't believe it was so much debated and discussed before Guwahati was finalized as a site to conduct this 65th Filmfare Award. What was all discussion about? Why was, I mean, there a doubt that can Guwahati host a Filmfare Award or not? Because it is one of the most prestigious event across the countries. It should be a gala affair. It should be a happening event. Everything should be planned from a scratch, right from top to bottom. Theme kya hoga, kaun conduct karega, kitna paisa lagega, how will everything be, you know, done therein. Somewhere somebody wrote in the, column that 20 to 30 crores are mostly used for conducting or hosting of a Filmfare Awards. That means once the Filmfare Award, that whole thing is done, the whole program comes to a standstill. It's all discarded. So what is said to be a program? It's a Greek word and existed as long back as 17th century. What it is? It's a planned series of events and performances with specific event in mind. आज यहाँ पे मेरी friend का dance program है, मैं वहाँ पर जा रही हूँ. So program means a series of events and performances with some specific event in mind. So programs are very comprehensive detailing reference to something very specific. You detailed out everything. And while detailing out that thing, you need a use of all the types of plans which we have earlier discussed. But once the program is over, ek baar shaadi khatam ho gayi, there is no need for anything else to be planned down. So very well, that means Program is your single plan. Once done, achieved down. Rules, definitely once made, they go on and on. They are a part of your standing plan. Methods, even a part of your standing. Why? They are once formulated, one best way is selected, and we find they basically go on. Policies do not have any time dimension. The program, just for your extra information, I'm letting you know, even the programs can be, categorized as primary programs and the secondary, that is the supportive program. स्कूल का एनुअल फंक्शन है, प्राइमरी प्रोग्राम है, प्रिंसिपल इन्वॉल्व होगा, बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स इन्वॉल्व होंगे, कौन चीफ गेस्ट बनेगा, बट कम्स लाइक अ डिपार्टमेंटल एग्जीबिशन है, डिपार्टमेंटल हेड्स बहुत हैं, द कैबिनेट इज गुड इनफ टू टेक द जर्नी अलोंग देयर इन. Now the children, the quick round, the brainstorming session is in the pipeline. How much you have grasped? I think थोड़ा सा आज mismatch हो गया. थोड़ा आपका beginning का session, overboarded with the time. So I was in a hurry to finish up all the types of plan. Could be possible some minor features here and there might have been missed out, but I'm very sure you are thorough with them all by now, and you'll be doing a fantastic job in your examination. So very quickly, we are going to go with the brainstorming round. Gaurav sir, I'll be grateful. Shift to the next very slide. Okay, children. Fine. The eligibility seems to be quite poor here to me. Maybe you people are able to read. Dash plan is used for the activities that occur regularly over a period of time. Yes, already. What kind of standing plans? Which two types of plans are not classified as single use or standing plan? Policy, program, rule, objective, strategy. Policy, strategy, objective. D is the right option, children. Now, I'm not giving, I'm answering on your behalf. Magar paper mein tumhare jawab khud dene hai. Dash plans are required to meet the demand of specific situation. Which one? Specific situation. Single, ek hi baar aayegi, shaadi ek hi baar karni chahiye, ek hi baar hoti hai. Standing plans have wide scope as they involve more than one department. I think it's department only. Okay, I cannot really make out the statement right now. I already informed you. You should be prepared. The technology is always, at times giving you a cross. And environment mein chale jaye, to which dimension is being talked about, children? Multidisciplinary questions can certainly be there. So this is a technological lab giving you. This is the technological environment only coming up. Single-use plans have more stability as they can exist. They can be anyhow, children. I have a lot of problem reading it out. Never mind. They, if are visible on your screen, I'm very sure you will be answering them much more better than me. Gaurav sir, I think we just go ahead with the another slide. Fine, this was an answer slide, children, for you in case the questions were pretty okay. You have another round which can be conducted very quickly. A strategy is derived from objectives. It's a plan which quantifies future facts and figures. Bas ji, future facts and figures aa gayi hai. So what is there? The budget is already being talked about. Gaurav sir, can we go further, please? Okay. I think so. It's better we skip them. So kindly we skip it. Children, I'm using this very platform to showcase you that within 10 minutes, there is a full probability of the chapter to be revised down. So हमारी पूरी CTF टीम ने एक बड़ा अच्छे वे के अंदर पूरे चैप्टर का समराइज्ड वर्जन आपको देने की कोशिश की है. Gaurav sir, can I just request you to play a video? It's a fun-loving attempt we have done to revise the complete contents with you, because in such a little hurry could have been possible. Few questions would have been, few topics, not the topics, but some features minor here and there would have been omitted by me. But I would really love to have you people view this video. I appreciate last minute all support which came from my children Chandni and Soumya in doing this needful video for us.
Just give me a minute, ma'am. Just give me a minute for this now. Just give me.
Nahi, sir, I'm grateful. Had you not been there, there would have been such a mess today. We are absolutely waiting in pipeline. Children, stay tuned. I'm very sure you will really like a little way, the fun way in which we have tried to conclude the whole chapter for you people. The Google Forms will be available, children. You can write, you can make use of them. The question answer box, we can see it is little flooded. We are trying our level best to go on answering your question, but a humble submission. Do not post a question just for the sake of posting it down there. And if you really have an issue, that's the only platform available to make use of it in a very sensible manner. But then I think planning is one such chapter which is very happening. Go relating it to anything of your favorite choice, and you will find that the connectivity is much more good, and it will give you a long lasting impact. Whenever you have to recall, now the minute you will always have single and the standing plan, तुम्हें एकदम word याद आएगा, शादी, अपनी शादी करनी है या दूसरों की करनी है. Good, Gaurav sir, thanks a lot. Sir is already playing that video, it's on way. सोच के देखो, with this very scene all going on, how many chapters of your business studies can all be incorporated?
Shall I play, ma'am?
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. Yeah, it's very much visible. I think we'll play it. I hope, sir, audio is there.
Yes, ma'am. It will come.
Thank you, kids, for being so patient in watching it down. But yes, you mark my words, it took us around 2 to 3 days to find out appropriate scenes to give you in a very fun way a whole revision of your planning. I know one can't be really perfect, so perfectly. Plans do not guarantee success. Planning does not is all in all telling you that nothing can go wrong. We have watched it on the platform. So, but then definitely, as Meenu ma'am said, you still need to go on planning. In case you don't want to fail, then also the planning is a mandatory platform. Thank you.